Okay, so let's go ahead and add some CSS to our form and make it more stylized. So let's get to our code, and here what we can do is in the div we have a class left out blank. I'm going to call this as border. So if I do this, what happens is we will have a border applied to that. You can see we have a very thin border. I'm going to change that to, I'm going to add in border primary, or we can add as border info. So that will add a blue color border to that. Okay, so we have this one, and what we can do now is we can also add some margin top. So I'm going to say mt -3, so that basically gives around 1 em size of margin top. Okay, so we got the top sizing, and we need some padding over here. So I'm going to give a manual padding instead of just giving this over here. I'm going to call this as my underscore form. Save this. I'm going to take this class, and here I'm just going to add it as padding as 15 pixels. Okay, so let's get back to our Chrome. Let's hit refresh. Okay, so we have the variable sizing. We do need some kind of border radius over here, so we can specify that one. So all we have to do is here just call in rounded. Let's save this one. Let's get back over here. Let's hit refresh. Okay, so we have border radius now. Let's give some box shadow for this. So I'm going to give a manual box shadow. So I'm going to call this as box shadow. The x-axis is going to be 2, y-axis is going to be 2, and the blur I'm going to give this as around 8 pixels with RGBA value of 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.3. Okay, so let's hit refresh. Okay, so we have a very cool shadow effect over there. Okay, so we already have the outer container of the form ready. So in the next class we will see how we can add classes to our form fields.